I had a diagnosis of torn tissue around my SI joint. I had an injury maybe a year and a half before, and had gone to get a lot of different treatments. I went to a chiropractor, I had massage therapy, I did a lot of different things, and then I had a diagnosis of this torn tissue in the SI area. I had experience here at LeBauer Physical Therapy before, and I knew that this is the kind of physical therapy I wanted, just because the one-on-one attention and the expertise was just much more effective than some of these other physical therapies, where it's just a good number of exercises, but not that much one-on-one, making sure to refine the movements and so forth. I had a lot of pain every time I would lie down, and so sleeping was a problem. It really affected my sleep. It affected other things I like to do. I like to practice yoga and other physical things, and it just it kept me from doing. I noticed I was doing less and less and less. I stopped swimming. I stopped doing the things I love. Over the past months that I've been coming, I've really noticed a great reduction in the pain, and a lot more loosening of my tissue, of my muscle. And what was surprising was that the pain actually was more of a memory than actual pain. It was, we were having to work with other areas in my body that was really causing the pain, than the pain coming from that spot kind of on its own. There are all kinds of physical therapists and all kinds of physical therapy, and I found that my first experience with physical therapy was negative. It was very kind of impersonal, and I kind of just felt like, just an object. I don't know, it just seemed very kind of cookie cutter. First of all, I noticed how the great detail of intake information and the diagnostic done at intake, so that it was a customized program that really was different and set it apart. And then just the work with the fascia and the understanding of how it's not just a number of exercises over and over again. It's the exercises certainly at home, but also the work here during a treatment is it's much more in depth, and it's much more targeted. So I would say for any of my friends, family members, just come to LeBauer Physical Therapy, because the results, you're going to get great results probably in a less amount of time. It's going to be more intense, but it's worth it.